Today on our Dear Claire series, we're answering the questions, what tips do I have for first-time home buyers? Well, let me tell you. First and foremost, find somebody that you trust and ask them to help you. And I would hope that that person that you're going to trust is a real estate agent, whether it's somebody that you know or somebody that some trusted family member knows. Reach out. Talk to at least 3 different agents because you want to make sure that they resonate with you. And then the other big tip would be make sure you have a home inspection and negotiate what's in the home inspection. The home inspection is a really great moment for you to get to know the house and understand what you're taking on, what compromises you're making, and be okay with it. Have the knowledge that you're going to be okay with whatever compromise you have to make on your purchase. Besides that, be patient with yourself. It's going to be a process, and so you start it, you're not going to know everything that you need to know, and through the process you'll learn what you need and be able to make a good decision. So I'll see you out there. Give me a call if I can be of any help. Take care.